The BMW Digital Key Plus has become your primary vehicle key, at least since the introduction of the easy all-in-one setup with the setup card. Not only thanks to the extended sharing functionalities of the digital key, it's becoming more and more likely that 2 or even more linked vehicle keys are carried together in one car. Of course, it's also possible that there are one physical key and 1 or more digital keys or 2 physical keys in the same car. Considering this, it's good to know that when lock when walking away is activated, the first key leaving the car always locks it automatically, even if there's still another link key in the car. This way, you can always rest assured that your car is locked safely when you walk away from it. Again, when the setting lock when walking away is active. Think of these examples. You have your BMW Digital Key Plus activated on your smartphone and on your connected smartwatch. This means anytime you get out of the car, for example, to go for a workout or to quickly pop into a store, you don't need to take the phone with you. Leaving the locking zone of the car with the digital key on your smartwatch will still lock your car and keep it safe. Or maybe you use 2 smartphones, a private one and one for work, and both devices have your BMW Digital Key for the same vehicle on them. In this case, you could always just leave your whole work bag with your phone in the car at the end of the day and only take the other digital key with you. Of course, with the BMW Digital Key Plus, you can even leave it in your pocket. And if lock when walking away is active, you don't have to worry about actively locking your car. The same logic also applies when you're using a physical vehicle key and a passenger carries a second physical key. When one person leaves the car with their physical key, the car automatically locks according to the settings, regardless of which key was used to unlock and start the car. And if you're wondering to make sure you notice when the car is locking, you can always activate the blinking of the indicators or folding in of the mirrors. And you can check the vehicle status in the My BMW app. See? All good. And you know how to get the most out of your BMW, right?
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?